In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a file from Airtable and save it in a format you can use in Excel or Google Sheets. We'll go through the process from opening your Airtable base all the way to checking the finished file so you can make sure your data exports cleanly and is ready to use. To begin, open the Airtable base you want to export from. Make sure you're in the correct base before you continue, especially if you manage multiple projects or databases. This helps prevent exporting the wrong set of records and saves time later. Once the base is open, select the table or specific view that contains the data you need. This part is important because Airtable exports the data from the view you're currently using. If your view has filters, hidden fields, or a particular sorting order, that can affect what appears in the exported file. So take a moment to confirm you're looking at exactly the data you want to download. Next, open the View menu. This is where Airtable gives you options related to the current view, including the export tool. If you've never used this menu before, just look carefully through the available options until you find the download setting. From there, click Download CSV to export the file. Airtable will generate a CSV version of the data from your selected table or view and download it to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, the file may download automatically to your default downloads folder, so it's a good idea to know where downloaded files are usually saved on your device. After the file has downloaded, open it in Excel or Google Sheets. This lets you review the information in a spreadsheet format and continue working with it outside of Airtable. If you're using Google Sheets, you may need to import the CSV after opening Sheets, while Excel will usually open the file directly. Once the file is open, save it in your preferred format. For example, you might keep it as a CSV for compatibility, or save it as an Excel workbook if you plan to use formulas, formatting, or multiple tabs later. Choosing the right format now can make your workflow much smoother. Finally, review the exported file for any missing data. Check that the rows, columns, and values match what you expected from Airtable. If something looks incomplete, go back and confirm you exported the correct view and that no important fields were hidden or filtered out. And that's how to export a file from Airtable quickly and accurately.